Huh? Yep. Now keep an eye on those wedges, okay? The edges.
It's going too fast.
Yeah, well that's what you do, is you slow yourself down. Good job, buddy. Nice. Nice control. Okay, I'm gonna go beside you. Good job. Yeah, you see how you keep your speed under control like that? Yeah, I've been watching the Olympics. Let it run a little bit, bud. Come right past your mom. Okay, let's go over here. Whoa, he was going fast, wasn't he? Nice wedge. Nice. Put a lot of pressure on those edges and you're gonna slow down. I think you get a high five when we get down to the bottom. Watch out, watch out. Good job, buddy. Nice, staying in control. Beautiful. Okay, now you keep on slowing down because we're coming to the end of our run. Now, does that make your legs tired? Kind of burn a little bit? No? Good.
I could do this all day.
Yeah? Me too. Nice and slow. Edges, edges. Keep that pie. Awesome. Okay, let's come over here. Put pressure on your left foot. Now I want you to come over here for a high five, okay? Right here. See? Look at that control.